This is a short guide on how to use conditional formatting in the Excel report for the progress tests. This is a progress test in English, level 14, recently downloaded. And I'm just going to navigate to the column for the standard age score to apply conditional formatting. We can either select the first cell that holds data and then hold the mouse key to select all cells, or you can click on the first one, Control, Shift and down arrow, and that will select all cells with data. We then click on Conditional Formatting in the Home menu and New Rule. We need format only cells that contain cell value less than or equal to 88 for the below average range, more colours, and the light red option. Click OK. Repeat this time between, cell value between, and we're going to say 89 and 111 for the average range with the light green. Next, greater than or equal to 112 for the above average range in light blue. And there we go. I'm now going to navigate to the progress categories. These are slightly different as they hold text. And I'm selecting all of the cells using Control, Shift and down arrow. And conditional formatting, new rule, only cells that contain. This time on the drop down, I'm selecting specific text. And I'm going to select there beginning with. And I'm typing in expected. And that will highlight all of those that are expected light green. Next, cell value, specific text, beginning with. Format, more colours, and I'm going to go with the darker red option so that we can tell the difference between much lower and lower. Specific text, beginning with, much lower. And the light red option again. And now for higher. Specific text, beginning with, higher, light blue, and beginning with much higher. We'll do that darker blue till we can see the difference. And now we've got this lower than expected, new rule, cell value, beginning with, and there we go. And what we should see is that we've now got the conditional formatting in place. However, I've got a problem. I can see there that much lower and lower are the same colour. So to edit those and manage those rules, we can see there that we've actually got the same category. So we need to delete that rule. And now we should have lower, much lower, expected, higher, and much higher. Click apply, OK, and now we can see the difference. I hope that helps.